Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to our English class. So, we have already revised our letters. Today, we are going to revise our phonics also with 3-letter words. Okay. So, what are these? Yes, these are the alphabets. These are the letters which you wrote yesterday, A to Z. Okay, now look at these letters. Can you see them written in two colors? Yes, some letters are written in pink color and the others are written in purple color. Okay, can you tell me which are the letters written in pink color? Yes, A, E, I, O, and U. Say again. A, E, I, O, and U. Now these are called as vowels. Okay. So now show me your hand. Just like you're able to see on the screen, you can see this hand. Open your hand like this. Now show me your little finger. Yes, this way. Your little finger is A. The ring finger is E, the middle finger is I, the pointer is O, and the thumb is U. Okay, so say it again with your fingers. A, E, I, O, U. Very good, children. Now, what are these? These are vowels. Now, if these are vowels, what are the other words called? The other words are called as, sorry, it is not words, letters. The other letters are called as consonants. Okay. Now we'll do some activity with our phonic sounds. We have to complete the words. Okay, now let's look what is the activity. Oh, what is this? It is a pen. Now what are the sounds which we hear when we utter the word pen? It is p, a, n. So now what you have to do? You have to relate the phonic sound with the letter of that particular sound and write it. Okay. So what is P? P means P. A is not written and no means N. So which letter represents the sound A? Yes, E. Very good, children. So it is P, N, pen. Next, what is this? It is bed. Okay, so what are the sounds? B, A, D. Now B and D are written and A is missing. So A is E. B, A, D, bed. Next, what is this? It is a bat. So which are the sounds? B, at, bat. So B, at, A is missing. Okay, so A means A. Very good. Which is this picture? Yes, it is a mug. So, which are the sounds? M, A, G. Now, M and G are already written. And which is the letter I should write here for A? Yes, U. Very good. M, A, G, mug. Next picture is of, what is this? Pin. Very good. Now let's see the sounds. P, E, N. P and N are written. E is missing. So I says E. So write I. P in a pin. Next picture. Yes, it is a cat. So K, A, T. Now which sound is missing? A. A means A. So I will write A. So K, A, T, cat. Now what is this? These are jumbled letters. Okay. So now we have to rewrite the letters correctly so we form a proper word. So if we want to rearrange this letters and write a proper word, I'll give you a hint. What is the hint? Look here. Yes, this is a net. Now I have to arrange these letters and form a new word which is net. So what I will do? No, a, t. No, a, t, net. Okay. Now let's look at the next word. Okay. So the hint for this is, okay, look at it properly. What does it look like? Yes, you are right. It is jam. So how I will write jam? J, A, M. Jam. Very nice, children. Chalo, let's take a look at the next word. What is this? The hint for this is, what is it? Yes, you are right. It is your bag. Yes, now let's see how we can write bag. B, A, G. Bag, bag. Very good. Now, next word. What is this? Hint is, oh, it is a tub. Okay, so how should you write tub? T, A, B. T, A, B, tub. Very nice. Now, what is this? Oh, it is a zip. So, you know how to write zip? Very good. So, let's write Z, E, P. Z, E, P, zip. Very nice. Oh, what is the next word? Oh, the hint is cap. Very good. So I will write K, A, P. K, A, P, cap. The next hint is, what is this? Yes, it is a hut. So how can I write hut? H, A, T. H, A, T, hut. And this one? Yes, it is a dog. And how will I write dog? D, O, G. Dog, dog. Okay, now this is a new activity. Here, what you have to do, you will see an underlined letter. Okay, underline means now this sentence you can see, I have put a line over here. It is below. Below the sentence I have written. So I will say I have underlined it. Okay, so I have to change the underlined letter to make a new word. Change means what? Remove something and add something else. Okay, let's see now. Okay, see what is this? Cot. Now, which letter is underlined? O, because you can see a line below it. Yes, so O is underlined letter. Now you have to change O to something else so that you can make a new word. Change means you have to remove O and write something else. You understood? Now let's look at the hint. So this is k or t and this is a cat. Cat means k at t. K and t is same, but instead of a it is a. So we will change o to a and it will become k at a cat. Okay, very good. I am sure all of you have understood. Now let's do some more. Okay, what is this? In a pin. Now, which is the underlined letter? I. Okay, and the hint is oh, it is a pen. So, in a pin will become in a pen. So, P and N, that is and no, will remain as it is. Okay, and I have to change E to A. So, I will write instead of I will write E. So, it becomes and a pen. Okay, very good. Next. What is this? And a long sound of L, that is L, dull. Okay. So now I have to change the underline letter which is U. That is A. I have to change into something else so that I will get a new word. Now let's look at a hint. Oh, it is a doll. So instead of I have to write A. So it will become doll. Okay. Now what is the next letter? Next word. It is beg. 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 And I have to change the underline letter which is E. Okay, so what shall I change it into? The hint is yes, it is a bag. So I will write A instead of E and convert this word from beg to bag. Yes, bag becomes bag when you change E to A. Okay. Okay, now we have revised our three-letter words. Now it is time for home assignment. And today the home assignment is a game. You all like to play a game, है ना? So let's see what the game is. Okay, now here what you have to do, you have to do as what is written, that is do as directed and get a name of a color. Okay, that means whatever is been told, that way you have to do and you have to get the name of a color. So let's see how you can do it. First one I have done for you to show you how to do it. Okay, so it is written here, add a letter. Add means what? You have to write one more letter. Now add a letter and what is this? Ink. Ink becomes, now you have to think of a rhyming color name. Ink pink. So ink will become pink. So along with ink, I have to add p, sound of p. So I have written p, ink, pink. Understood? That way you have to think about a rhyming name of the color and you have to speak it and then you have to listen to the sound which the color name is making and change the letters accordingly. Okay, so now let's see next. Change a letter. Change means you have to remove and you have to put something else. Okay. Remove and put something else. Change a letter and glue becomes which color? That you have to think and you have to write. Okay. Next. Change a letter and change means again you have to remove and you have to write something else. Bed becomes which color? Okay, think about it. Next, add a letter. Add means whatever is written it will be there only. You have to write one more letter. So add a letter and what is written here? Lack. Lack becomes which color? Think, think, think. Next, change two letters. That means you have to remove two letters and you have to write something else. That is two other letters you have to write. So change two letters and what is written here? Turtle becomes which color? Yes, you can write all this in your English notebook. Okay, understood? So start writing this home assignment in your English notebook. Okay, so let's take a look at the next game which we are going to play. This is find the odd word and circle it. Okay, you have to find odd word and circle it. The first one I have done for you. Now read these words. C, B, F, 2. Say again. C, B, F, 2. So which are rhyming? C, B, F are rhyming and 2 is not rhyming with these words. So I will circle 2. Okay, that is an odd word. So I will circle. Why it is odd? Because it is not rhyming with the other words. Now let's see. First one I had done, the next you will have to do. So you have to say along with me. Okay, start. Second one is pass. Say with me. Pass, dress, class, glass. Say again. Pass, dress, class, glass. Next, tray, boy, toy, joy. Say again. This is tray, boy, toy, joy. Very good. Next, lot, cot, pot, lick. Say it again. Lot, cot, pot, lick. Very good. One more. Fell, tell, fed, sell. One more. Once again. Fell, tell, fed, sell. Okay. Understood? Now the words which are not rhyming, you have to circle. Okay. Now you like this game? I'm sure you like this game. Okay. So first one was you have to think about a color which rhymes with the given word and the second one is you have to find the odd word out. Okay, so that is all for today. See you again. Thank you so much for being with me. Okay, see you. Bye.